Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk through a shortcut that's going to save you a lot of time and energy in a physical science or a physics class. And secondly, a really crucial idea that you need to know about how to use your calculator and avoid making mistakes. So first of all, this is the equation that we're working with. This KE is kinetic energy, and let's say we have kinetic energy and we have mass, but we don't have speed in this equation. And so algebraically we're trying to solve for speed. What you can do to speed up the process instead of doing it in multiple steps, you can isolate in one step, and that is multiply by the reciprocal of whatever you want to get rid of. So let me show you what I'm talking about. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2, and the reciprocal of m is 1 over m. So if we multiply by 2 over m, that cancels out the 1/2 and the m in one fell swoop. You do that on the right side, you're going to do that on the left side as well. And so what are we left with? We're left with 2 times the kinetic energy over mass is equal to v squared. At this point, how do we get rid of the squared function? Well, we take the square root of both sides, and that's going to cancel out the squared function on the right. And just for preference sake, I'm going to move my v over here. So we're going to say v is equal to the square root of 2 times the kinetic energy over m. Alright, so that's a quick shortcut for dealing with this. What I'm going to say next is pretty important in terms of how to use your calculator effectively. If we were going to put this into a calculator, the way you would do this is you would type in your square root button, and then notice we're going to use a set of parentheses here and another set of parentheses. So notice we're going to have 2 times the kinetic energy value, whatever that value is, that number is, divided by whatever the m value is, end parentheses, and then hit equals or enter depending on whatever you have on your calculator. That's really crucial. So let's think about this for a moment. Why do we have an extra set of parentheses here? You want to have a set of parentheses just for the numerator, because if you don't, sometimes you can get what's called an order of operations issue, where you can get an error based on what's happening, especially if you have like a plus or a minus upstairs in the numerator, or if you're using scientific notation, sometimes that can throw off your answer in your calculation. So in any case, hopefully this has been helpful. I've gone over physics lessons for an entire school year and many physical science lessons as well. If you have any questions or comments down below, please let me know, and I hope you all have a great day. Take care.